everybody, this is Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations. So here lately I've been making a lot of money bouquets, and I wanted to give an option for folks who just want to give a small gift and something that they can do for themselves. So this is a money pull box, and it's really easy. I'm going to show you with some items that you can get at your local Dollar Tree, and it's pretty cool. It's going to work out to be just like that. So come on and let's make this together. Okay, let's talk about some of the supplies that we're going to use. We're going to use some type of a box. So this is a box that came from the Dollar Tree, and it's just a happy birthday box. They also sell the Celebrate box. And if you can't find either box or some type of box, you can make your own box out of a tissue box. So it's just a box of tissues, and you can just kind of take it apart here and put it right back together, and then you'll just be able to pull your money right out of here. So this isn't difficult to use either, but these are just already decorated because unless you can just find a really cute tissue box, you're going to want to put some type of birthday tissue wrapping paper or something like that around it. Okay, and so then you're also going to need some type of a roll. Now this is just off of a roll of toilet tissue, but you could use paper towels or whatever kind of a roll you happen to have in the house. You're also going to need scissors to cut the roll. You will need tape, some type of a bow to go on the top to be your pull, and double-sided tape. And of course, the star of the show, which is some type of money, some type of cash bills, because that's what you're going to be stringing along or taping along. And if you want to begin with a note, you can either use some type of a post-it note or paper. So using pretty much most of the items you have in your house already. Okay, so we're going to start with prepping the money. And so the money prep is going to be fairly easy. This is actually $25. So you can just start with trying to figure out how you want to disperse it. Turn your money over, and you're just going to kind of take a small piece of tape and attach one to the other. Little overlap. This magic tape is really good. It's what we use for the money bouquets, so the money peels off rather easily, so you don't have to worry about the bills tearing or anything like that. Just do it like that, and you put a little bit on both sides so that it pulls without coming apart. And then you're going to do that all the way until all of your bills are taped down. So longer string or a shorter string, you're just going to use larger denominations or smaller denominations. So if you want it longer, you can just do it all out of ones. If you want it shorter, you could have done it all out of fives. So it's totally up to you which you choose to do. This is personal choice. I feel like it needs to be at least 5 bills for it to kind of make sense. But again, totally up to you how that's going to work out. Last bill. And so this is what we have. We have quite a bit already. So you can see it's quite long. That's pretty cool, right? So we're going to set this to the side. Okay. So what we'll do with the roll is we're going to tape this on here. Tape it down good. And if you, since it's paper, technically, if you had a stapler, you can staple this as well. And so then you're just going to proceed to roll your money onto the roll. And if you had a note, you would put your little note in there. Okay, so now we have it at the end. I'm just going to put a piece of tape so that it doesn't unravel. I'll set that to the side. Now, we're going to take the top. This top actually came with a little something on the top, so I don't want to mess that up. But I do need to cut inside of here. Got two-sided tape, and it kind of had this little thing on there. And I'm just going to kind of put that on the side of it. And again, it had some two-sided foam just to make it cute. And I'm just taking this off because we kind of need to get to the top of this box. Okay. Now, what I have to do is I need to put a hole carefully. You can use a box cutter if you have it. But what you're going to do is make a slit. And the bow should cover it, hopefully. The bow will cover it. Okay, that looks to be pretty good. We're going to try it out. Okay, so that's the hole that we have so far right across here. Let's test to see if the money will get through there. Tape off. Perfect. So you can see it comes out easily. So basically, we just need to pull the money through, right? Pull the money through, drop this in, okay? And then we need to get our bow. And you're going to tape the bow to the first bill so that it can start pulling. Tape it good. Okay. And I will probably add some tape back here some way, just so that it's on there good. Okay. And then you would just be kind of trying to hide it down like that, and you're going to just tape your bow down, right? You would tape this down a little bit so it wouldn't be noticeable. So you would give it to the person, and of course you're going to put this, can go back on here just to make it look cute. Where's my two-sided tape? I don't think two-sided tape likes cardboard too much. Okay. So that's how it's gonna look, like that, right? And it's like, oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, take the bow off. You gotta see it. And I would actually tape the sides down too, because you don't want them to come up while the person is trying to take it off. So tape all your sides down. And it's kind of like, oh my gosh, let me see. And then it just keeps coming and coming and coming like that. So, hope you guys found this video helpful. This is a quick and easy way to make a money box, a money pull box, with things that you can find right in your local Dollar Tree. So again, this is Crystal with Crystal's Diversa Creations. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.